spare, I don't even bother trying to open these a lot of the time because I just cannot get the strength to be able to open that. So this is directly knife, rip it open.
I would buy a ring pull because I can use a knife to get the ring up, but that's dangerous. And the reason I know that because I hold the can here in this hand, remove the knife up and I've stabbed myself.
So I can't open that without doing my little butter knife trick to unseal it, and then once it's unsealed I can get that open.
Probably end up getting a knife to do that.
That is not going to work for me. That always goes to the teeth, or I just end up stabbing it with a knife to open it.
I'm going to infusion tea. It's obviously not the best hygienic solution, but
You do that hand work out which side it's supposed to open.
I would opt not to get these because I find them very challenging. So I've read that. So that would not be the ideal.
It could mean that I could be by myself at home and all I'm wanting is to grab a quick snack or something to eat that will fill me through till perhaps my support worker comes. Or it might even be that I might not have a support worker or someone coming to the house for 12 hours. So I can often sit there hungry because I can't open something and feel really depressed, and it kind of, you've got to be really careful that it doesn't steamroll into feeling really negative about yourself. That's quite hard. So the way I am at the moment, if I really wanted something to eat, I would actually be starving. I actually wouldn't open anything because it's really brain draining.
No. And I would use a knife. It's the same with this. I would use a knife. I can't do it. I just can't. I don't understand their thought process in these packaging. I'd use it because it's not open. It just makes me feel worthless and impacts my life because you get embarrassed.
I can avoid it. At times I've ripped the pull ring off and I've had no choice. I've had to wait for someone to assist, or it's taken up to 20 minutes to actually open a tin. And considerations such as cuts is a huge one, and that's happened to me before.